Observe the patient's color, respiratory rate, and level of anxiety. Vascular structure of neck. Look for carotid artery, internal jugular vein, and external jugular vein. Measurement of the highest oscillation point of the jugular pulsation. Jugular vein pulsation is best assessed from pulsation of right internal jugular vein. Examine both the sides of the patient's neck, then slide to the left. First find the external jugular vein, then locate the pulsations of the internal jugular vein. Look for oscillation point between sternocleidomastoid muscle. Distinguish between carotid and jugular pulsation. Extend a elongated rectangular object from the meniscus point of pulsation. Extend a vertical ruler from sternal angle vertically, making right angle. Read the vertical distance. The, the JVP is 2, 3 to 4 cm above the sternal angle with head of the bed elevated by 30 degrees is above normal. Carotid pulse. Useful for detecting aortic stenosis and aortic insufficiency. Inspect and palpate both right and left carotid arteries and then compare. Auscultate the carotid arteries and listen for the bruise sound. Examining the heart. Bed head raised to 30 degrees. Palpate the chest wall. Check for the thrills or any underlying abnormality. Identify apical impulse, its location, diameter, and amplitude. Listen for diffuse or tapping impulse. Feel the right ventricular impulse at lower left sternal border. To make it easy for you to palpate the impulse, ask the person to lean towards the left side or left decubitus position. Measure the range of the impulse. Keeping one finger in the third interspace, an additional finger in the fourth and fifth interspace. Feel for the right ventricular impulse in the epigastric area. Checking heart sounds. Begin in the aortic area. Note the rate and rhythm. Identify S1 and S2. Check in pulmonic area. Trying to identify the S2 splitting. Check in the listen to the apex. Detect if there is any murmur or abnormal sound. Use bell to locate any murmur. Ask the patient to sit up and lean forward. Look for aortic regurgitation by asking the patient to sit up and lean. Ask the patient to exhale completely and hold his breath out. Listen at the left second interspace. For mitral stenosis, ask the patient to roll on the left side. Look for mitral stenosis. Look for opening snap and diastolic rumble of mitral stenosis.